Hi, seventh graders that I have never met before, except for, I don't know, maybe two or three of you in real life. My name is Miss Lang. If you weren't in the video on Monday, there will be another video link tomorrow on Friday. And we will meet at the same time, which, as I'm scrolling down here, I just want to double check, is 10:15. I'm going to leave this video up though as directions for what we did, what was assigned this week, and what will be due next week so far. I'm not going to have my face on the whole time because it can be distracting for directions. So please follow along, and you can replay this video as many times as you want to for directions. So right now I'm in the classroom stream. I can tell that I'm in the stream because underneath the stream there's this little black line, and that shows me which option in my classroom I've selected. On Fridays and Mondays, underneath the class code here, you'll see a link to click on for Google Meets, and that's where we will have our video instruction, which you should really go to because I'm going to explain some of the more complicated things for the artwork and upcoming assignments that you'll have. Down here on the left-hand side, you'll see some announcements for assignments that are up and coming. There are two that are still open and due, and I believe there is one that was already done. So I'm going to switch from stream to classwork, and here you can see all three assignments that have been assigned. If you haven't done three assignments yet, totally fine. Not all of them are due yet. If I look here on the side of each assignment, you'll notice this one from 420, the virtual class introduction. That was due on the 21st, Tuesday. It's okay if it's late, just make sure you get it in. This was an assignment from the 21st. It was assigned and it is due tomorrow at 11:59. And then there's one that was just put up today. It's not due until next Tuesday, the 28th. I want you to try to spend some time on this one. So I'm going to go through each one very quickly. If I click on this assignment, I'll see a quick little blurb about directions. So far, 15 people have turned it in, and I'm waiting for 8 more. And if I hit this button, it's just going to take me to a quick survey for you to fill out. So I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Once you're done with the survey, make sure you hit submit. And then when you go to the assignment, make sure you also mark it as done. All right, then I'm going to go to the assignment from the 21st here. There's no other directions underneath the assignment. I'm just going to click directly on the document. And there's 3 steps to this one. First, you're going to find any image. Doesn't matter what the image is. I'm not grading you on the image. I am grading you on being able to post the image. So it can be an artwork you've made. It can be a photo that you have. It can be something that you just find on Google. It's up to you, whatever it is. And then if you're not sure how to post or attach an image or how to insert it into a document, there's a series of video links here. So for example, for posting an image to an assignment, meaning that it wouldn't go in this document, but it would get attached to your assignment itself. You could click on the link here to do it from a smartphone, from a Chromebook, etc. Same thing here for putting the image directly into the document. I don't really have a preference. You can do either one, but there are videos here for how to do that as well. Then I want you to leave a private comment on your assignment. And again, there's a video for how to do that here. And then lastly, make sure that you hit turn in on the document. So that assignment is due tomorrow, and you can always email me or comment if you have more questions. And lastly, there's this new assignment. It's a pre-assessment. So a pre-assessment, I want to see what you can do before I actually start to grade you on the work and we start the learning. So there are a few directions. The first thing, you're going to pick any drawing material, doesn't matter what it is, anything that leaves a mark, and you're going to draw each of these things. It does not matter if you can draw or not. I am not grading you on your drawing ability at all. I am grading you on just making an attempt to include each of these things. And as far as a drawing surface, it can be paper, it can be digital if you know how to use those or you want to try these out. It can be on your window as long as it'll come off. Just drawing on any surface. Then again, you're going to post your artwork here and turn it in. And I'll go over this more in depth tomorrow because my video is about to end here. I hope that clarified some directions for you. And remember, in the stream tomorrow, we will meet.